Welcome to Manifesting the Right Way, beyond fear and into true creation. Manifestation is not about hoping, wishing, or daydreaming. It's about belief, discipline, and alignment. You don't simply attract what you want. You manifest what you are and the energy you carry. The biggest mistake people make? Trying to manifest from a place of fear. If you're constantly worried, doubting, or feeling lack, you're unconsciously reinforcing the very obstacles keeping you stuck. True manifestation starts when you release fear and move into confidence and certainty. Manifestation isn't just about thinking or wanting. It's about knowing that what you desire already exists, whether in this moment or in another time and space. Imagine gold. Alchemists believed they could create it, but what they didn't realize is that gold already exists in various forms. Just like your dreams, they aren't created from nothing, they are transmuted from energy into reality. Everything you desire comes in many forms, and sometimes it doesn't appear exactly how you expected, but that doesn't mean it hasn't arrived. Someone manifesting wealth might not suddenly receive a bag of money. Instead, they might develop a new skill, meet the right person, or find themselves in situations that lead to financial opportunities. Manifestation is an ongoing process, not something that happens overnight. Every action, thought, and intention builds the path toward what you're creating. Think about this. If you plant seeds in a garden, you don't dig them up every day demanding results. You trust the process, water the soil, and let nature do its work. The same applies to manifestation. Your work must meet patience. The mind and heart must work together. You cannot manifest just by thinking. It must be backed by feeling, action, and momentum. Athletes don't visualize winning and then do nothing. They practice, they train, they refine their skills so that when the moment comes, their success is inevitable. The same applies to manifestation. Your belief fuels your reality, but your actions anchor it into existence. Don't give up on yourself. Start visualizing your life beyond fear. Trust the process and refine your creation until it materializes. Manifestation is forging. Transform fear into strength. Manifestation isn't just about attracting what you want. It's about becoming the kind of person who naturally aligns with it. The most abundant people you know didn't just wish for success. They transmuted their struggles into fuel for their vision. Success doesn't happen by avoiding hardship. It happens by turning obstacles into momentum. Every setback is raw material for greatness. Think about someone who took their worst experiences and transformed them into strength. A person born into struggle who refused to let circumstances define them, choosing instead to refine, adapt, and create something unstoppable. True manifestation happens when you take negative energy and turn it into power, not by letting fear dictate your path, but by making it fuel your transformation. Imagine crafting a legendary sword. You don't simply dream it into existence, you refine it, forge it, heat it, cool it, over and over until it's unbreakable. Manifestation works the same way. You start with passion and vision. You refine it through struggle and discipline. You cool down, reflect, and adjust your course. You continue until your creation is so strong that nothing can stand against it. Manifestation isn't just about attraction, it's about transformation. Every great inventor, entrepreneur, and creator went through challenges. But instead of giving up, they embraced the process, learning, failing, adapting, and sharpening their path until success became inevitable. Fear is the biggest barrier between you and your vision. The difference between people who succeed and those who don't? They move despite fear, refining themselves until nothing can stop them. You are always manifesting. The question is, are you manifesting obstacles or are you manifesting breakthroughs? Don't stop when it gets hard. Use that energy to strengthen your creation. Believe in the process, because it's shaping you into someone unstoppable. Manifestation responds to the manifester. Shape your reality. Manifestation is not just about desire, it's about how you respond to the process. Your reality is constantly adjusting to your mindset, actions, and energy. It's responding to the way you engage with it, not just what you ask for. Manifestation does not give you what you want, it gives you what you need to evolve. If you keep second-guessing, hesitating, or fearing change, the process will reflect that back to you. If you manifest success but hold fear about stepping into it, opportunities might appear, but you won't recognize them or will find excuses to avoid them. Your reality mirrors how you engage with it, not just what you desire. This is why consistency matters. Your ability to adjust, refine, and keep moving forward is far more important than seeking perfection. True manifestation isn't just a one-time process. It's something you are always doing. Every thought, action, and intention moves you toward or away from your vision. Think about this. If an artist stops painting every time they feel stuck, their masterpiece is never completed. Success comes from immersing yourself in the process, learning, refining, and continuing until your creation is fully realized. Instead of focusing on instant results, shift your mindset to continuous improvement. Each step you take adds momentum. Don't stop before your vision manifests. Manifestation doesn't call for perfection, it calls for commitment to growth. The more you seek, refine, and align, the more clarity unfolds before you. Your reality is waiting to respond. Are you shaping it with confidence or fear? Embrace the journey, not just the goal. Growth will transform you along the way. Seek clarity, adjust and refine until your reality fully aligns with your vision. Keep manifesting, keep growing, keep seeking light. Like, comment, subscribe and share to continue unlocking deeper insights. Truth and transformation are waiting. You just have to step into